Today I will show you how to make my insecticide. First, I make soapy water. This is a pure soap. 99% soap. I made soapy water. This is my homemade poisonous liquor. It includes Nicotiana rustica and powder of Dalmatian chrysanthemum. I want to make 3 liters of pesticide. So I need this liquor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This poisonous liquor includes Dalmatian chrysanthemum and Nicotiana rustica and Illicium anisatum. Please don't drink it. You will die. This is a Faccia japonica liquor. It's poisonous alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and mix them together. Soapy water will be an adhesive. I have to be careful for cats. There are some dust in it, so I use this net like this. This is my personal experiment. So I don't know that it's safety, but my tobacco plants are very healthy and without pests. I use this pesticide once a week.